Abakuru ku rugo mu bitongore bintu bagira ngo Omusinga n'abakuumi be okuguma bakomerwa hatariho kuhurira emishango yabo mu koto kumara emyaka egi yoona nikireetaho obutashemererwa mu bantu okukira munonga bari omu kyanga kya Rwenzori.
However, in that process, whoever is in charge of dispensing justice must do it fairly, objectively, following the rules, following the law, and making sure everybody's rights are respected. Without fear, without favor.
Omusinga Charles wizire mu mbere akakwatwa kandi yakoma mu mwaka gw'2016 bwanyuma y'abasirikare ba UPDF okutahirira ekikaari kye ekirikushangwa hari buhikira omu tawuni ya Kasese. Okurugerera hari polisi abasirikare bo 202 bakafeera omu kurumba oku kandi abantu ba buriijo bafiire bakarenga omuri 100. Francis Thaise orukora nka Executive Director wa Rwenzori Forum for Peace and Justice nagira ngo abo bona bino muga kureba ngo Omusinga yatwarwa mu kotu betebekanise kukikora ubwo barukuratira amateeka.
Politicization of ethnicity is a dominant trigger of conflicts here and spread across the region. And secondly, there is also ethnicization of politics.
Abahona bashaba government kweshumbusha abo bona bafiire hamwe n'abahonere ubwanyuma y'abazahambuki ba ADF kurumba itendekero rya Kicwamba bakaryosya omu mwaka gwa 1998.
There are so many victims, there are so many survivors. Some of the people suspected to have been involved in these conflicts have not been brought to justice. Some of these victims, up to now when they tell their stories, you really need that there should be somebody to listen to them and understand them.
Gasha kwa Jonathan Singwire.